You know that feeling when you walk into a kitchen and everything just works? It's not magic, it's smart design. In this episode, we are looking into the design process behind the Sittela kitchen. From the first layout to the final details, every choice was made with functionality, energy efficiency, and thoughtful design in mind. Stick around to the end to see the completed kitchen where all of the elements come together.
A great kitchen isn't just about looking good, it has to work for your lifestyle. We're going to take you behind the scenes of the design phase and show you how we brought this space to life based on a brief that prioritises both style and practicality.
The design phase is where everything starts. Our brief was clear: create a kitchen that's not only functional, but also practical and feminine. Something that works for daily life. One of the key elements we focused on was the layout, making sure that there was plenty of room for the family with a large butler's pantry to keep everything organised and out of sight.
We wanted a layout that worked for cooking, entertainment and storage while also maintaining a sense of elegance and flow. This was about making sure that the space could adapt to different needs, whether it's a busy week morning or hosting guests on the weekend. The butler's pantry is an essential feature. It's just not about extra storage. It's a space that lets you prep, organise everything out of sight, keeping the main kitchen clean and uncluttered. It's a perfect example of where function meets form.
Seeing the design choices come together is always the best part. From selecting durable materials to ensuring every detail contributes to the overall flow, we've crafted a space that's as practical as it is beautiful.
One of the standout features of any kitchen is the island bench. This is where a lot of action happens. Whether you're cooking, chatting, or doing homework with the kids, the island is central to the kitchen's function. We made sure that the island would be both a showpiece and a practical workspace.
Every design choice, from the size of the island to the finish on the countertop, was made with functionality in mind. We wanted a design that would stand the test of time, using high quality materials that are not only beautiful, but also sustainable. Getting the island in place was a big moment. We needed to make sure it was positioned perfectly to work with the flow of the kitchen, while also maximising storage and prep space. It's a delicate balance of design and practicality. Today's a really exciting day out on site. We have New Grove bench tops out installing our solid surface. We've gone with a Meganite. It's a hazel cream, and you can see it's got some really nice, beautiful colours through it. It's sort of got a bit of a beigey, creamy look, which suits this style of Mediterranean home. And out on site, what they're doing is they bring it out in pieces, they glue it together, and then they're actually sanding it all out so you can't actually see any of the join marks. It's really solid. It's got a beautiful, luxurious look to it, and I'm really excited to see how all of this comes together. I went with the Meganite Hazel Cream because of the look of the colour. So this style of home has quite a Mediterranean feel to it, and I wanted something that wasn't white, it wasn't black. I wanted to go with a solid surface because of the antimicrobial and antibacterial elements that it has in the solid surface. And this finish was probably my favorite. I love that it's just got these really fine sort of pattern throughout it. It's got beiges and creamy colors in it, and it just has a really luxurious look, a really silky look to it, and it's going to suit this home really nicely. In the kitchen here, what is going to happen today is we're actually going to take the solid surface from benchtop, and it's actually going to curve up the splashback here. This is really great because you're not going to have any sort of grout marks from any tiling. It's going to keep this place a lot cleaner. And again, it does have that bacterial element. So especially where you're cooking, it's going to be a really great piece, and it's going to make this space look really quite luxurious. It's going to then have a nice timber floating shelf, and then we're going to finish it with full height tiles. I'm absolutely loving how this turned out. It's not just a focal point, it's a functional workspace that serves so many purposes. It really pulls the whole kitchen together.
Every little detail matters, from energy efficient lighting to clever storage solutions. The finishing touches ensure that the kitchen works everyday life. It's about having a layout that feels right while being mindful of sustainability and energy use.
This is why I love what we do. Seeing everything come together like this shows that thoughtful, intentional design can really transform a space.
This kitchen is a perfect example of how functionality, design, and energy efficiency can work together. It's not only about making a space look good, it's about creating a space that makes life easier.
Now that the kitchen is complete, let's take a look at how everything came together, from energy efficient lighting to clever storage. This space is designed for every moment of daily life.
Let's give you the grand tour of the finished Sittela kitchen, where high performance and energy efficiency come together with practical design.
If you love seeing these transformations and want more smart home design tips, make sure to subscribe and follow us for more behind the scenes content. Thanks for coming.